Modern car repair is getting smarter every year. Instead of relying only on guesswork, today's mechanics can use scanners, testers, cameras, and specialty tools to find problems faster and work with more confidence. In this video, we'll look at 20 smart mechanic tools that can help with diagnostics, maintenance, electrical testing, inspection, tire care, and everyday garage repairs. Some are built for professional technicians, while others are perfect for DIY users who want better control over vehicle work. Let's get into the countdown. Number 20. OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner. This Bluetooth scanner turns your iPhone, Android device, or Windows PC into a capable diagnostic setup. It helps read vehicle data, check trouble codes, and clear check engine lights without needing a bulky handheld scanner. It works with popular apps like ForScan, Torque, Bimmer Code, Dash Command, Alpha OBD, and Carista. It also supports enhanced OEM data for several brands, including Ford, GM, Mazda, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, and Kia. For DIY mechanics and home garage users, it offers a smart way to access deeper vehicle information. Number 19. XTOOL Anyscan 30D OBD2 Scanner. This wireless scan tool goes beyond basic code reading by adding bidirectional control and full system diagnostics. That means it can send commands to vehicle systems, helping users test components directly from a phone. It includes 19 reset functions, including EPB reset, TPMS reset, ABS bleeding, oil reset, throttle relearn, BMS reset, and crankshaft sensor relearn. Live data support and multi-PID viewing make troubleshooting easier to understand. Small shops, part-time technicians, and serious DIYers can use it to reduce guesswork. Number 18. Autel MaxiTPMS TS508WF TPMS Relearn Tool. TPMS service can become frustrating without the right tool, especially after tire rotations, sensor replacements, or warning light issues. This Autel unit is designed to activate sensors, relearn positions, read TPMS data, and clear TPMS codes. It offers quick mode for basic work and advanced mode for more complete diagnosis. It can also program Autel MX sensors in 315 MHz and 433 MHz versions. Tire shops, technicians, and DIY users working with TPMS systems will find it especially practical. Number 17. Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive. Accurate torque matters on brakes, engine parts, bikes, wheels, and mechanical assemblies. This digital torque wrench covers 0.66 to 44.29 foot-pounds, or 0.9 to 60 Nm, with plus or minus 1% accuracy, vibration alerts, buzzer alerts, and LED warnings. It helps prevent under-tightening or over-tightening. Peak mode helps hit a target torque, while track mode shows real-time force. The reversible ratchet head also helps in tight areas. Number 16. Milwaukee 2457 20M 12 Cordless 3/8 Ratchet. For mechanics who want speed without an air hose, this cordless ratchet is a strong upgrade. It delivers up to 35 foot-pounds of torque and 250 RPM from a compact M12 platform. The low-profile head helps inside engine bays, while the variable speed metal trigger gives better control. LED lighting improves visibility in dark spots, and the onboard fuel gauge shows remaining battery power. It is built for repetitive fastening during auto repair, maintenance, and assembly work. Number 15. AstroAI Iron H Portable Tire Inflator. Low tire pressure can happen anywhere, and this 12V inflator is made for roadside and garage use. It plugs into a vehicle cigarette lighter and includes a 9.8-foot cord for reaching most regular vehicle tires. The digital gauge and programmable inflation let users set a target pressure. Auto shutoff stops inflation when the selected pressure is reached, while the LED light helps during nighttime use. Drivers, commuters, and home users can keep it ready for quick tire top-offs. Number 14. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. This tool combines tire pressure checking and inflation control in one compact accessory. It supports a 3 to 250 psi range and connects to air compressors through a 1/4-inch NPT fitting. The heavy-duty air chuck and quick connect coupler make tire service faster and cleaner. Instead of switching between separate tools, users can fill and monitor pressure at the same time. It fits cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and shop air setups. Number 13. KONNWEI KW208 12V Car Battery Tester. Battery issues often look like starter or alternator problems, so testing first can save money. This digital tester checks 12V batteries, cranking performance, charging output, and alternator condition. It works with cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and marine batteries. The display helps users understand battery health before replacing parts. For mechanics and vehicle owners, it is a practical tool for diagnosing no-start problems. Number 12. NEXPEAK NC 201 10A battery charger. Vehicles that sit for long periods often suffer from weak batteries. This smart charger supports 12V and 24V batteries and works as a maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. It is fully automatic and includes temperature compensation, helping adjust charging based on conditions. That makes it useful for cars, trucks, lawn mowers, boats, and seasonal vehicles. Home garages and small shops can use it to keep batteries ready. Number 11. Acoath two-way articulating Borescope. Some problems hide behind panels, inside engines, or deep in tight spaces. This inspection camera uses a dual-lens 1080p setup with a 4.3-inch IPS screen. The two-way articulating camera gives better control than basic fixed-head scopes. It also includes a 32 GB card, an IP67 waterproof rating, making it suitable for automotive, pipe, sewer, and industrial inspections. Mechanics can inspect hidden areas before taking parts apart. Number 10. DEPSTECH Triple Lens Inspection Endoscope. This inspection camera gives users 3 viewing angles and a larger 5-inch IPS screen. Its 16.5-foot flexible cable helps reach deep spaces inside engines, walls, pipes, drains, and mechanical assemblies. The 1080p image quality and waterproof design make it useful for leak checks, cylinder inspection, dashboard work, and tight compartment diagnosis. For mechanics, it helps spot issues before removing major components. Number 9. Solary smoke machine for car. Vacuum and EVAP leaks can be difficult to find by sound alone. This 12V smoke tester fills sealed systems with smoke, making small leaks easier to spot. It can help check intake systems, vacuum lines, EVAP systems, hoses, and sealed components. By making leaks visible, it cuts down diagnostic time and helps avoid replacing good parts. Home mechanics and repair shops can use it for faster troubleshooting. Number 8. Solary Induction Bolt Heater Tool. Rusty bolts and seized nuts can turn simple repairs into long jobs. This 1200W induction heater warms metal fast without using an open flame. The included coils help fit different fasteners and shapes. Heat helps break corrosion and loosen stuck hardware more safely around sensitive areas. Mechanics working on exhaust parts, suspension, brakes, and older vehicles will appreciate it. Number 7. 2026 Autel Power Scan PS 100 Power Circuit Probe Tester. Automotive electrical work needs fast testing and clear results. This circuit probe works on 12V and 24V systems and helps find opens, shorts, and circuit faults. It can activate components, test AC and DC circuits, check relays, fuses, trailer wiring, and more. The long cable gives room to move around the vehicle while testing. Technicians dealing with electrical problems can use it as a smarter alternative to basic test lights. Number 6. Tessmann TBF 200 brake fluid tester. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, and too much moisture can affect braking performance. This tester checks DOT3, DOT4, and DOT5. 1 brake fluid. It uses an 8.5-inch corrosion-resistant gooseneck probe, digital display, and 3-color backlight alarm. The 0% to 4% measurement range makes results easy to understand. It helps DIY users and shops decide when brake fluid service is needed. Number 5. Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit. Clogged or weak injectors can cause misfires, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. This kit helps test and clean gasoline vehicle injectors with pulse modes. It can test 2 injectors at once and includes 8 pulse modes with 12V and 5V output options. Multiple cleaning adapters support different injector styles. It is a helpful tool for diagnosing fuel delivery problems before replacing injectors. Number 4. Atec City Infrared Thermometer. Temperature readings can reveal problems quickly in engines, brakes, HVAC systems, refrigerators, and exhaust parts. This infrared thermometer measures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1130 degrees Fahrenheit. It uses non-contact measurement, adjustable emissivity, and a color LCD display. Readings appear quickly, and the max temperature display helps compare heat across components. Mechanics can use it for overheating checks, brake comparisons, and AC performance checks. Number 3. Sangaberry 0 to 6-inch digital caliper. Small measurements matter when checking parts, fasteners, gaps, and components. This digital caliper measures 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters. It supports inside, outside, depth, and step measurements. 1-button inch and millimeter conversion makes switching units easy, while 0 setting helps with comparison measurements. It is best for household repairs, DIY work, and non-critical mechanical checks. Number 2. Powerbuilt 3-ton, all-in-one hydraulic bottle jack and jack stand. Lifting taller vehicles requires strength and stability. This all-in-one tool combines a hydraulic bottle jack with a jack stand design. It has a 3 tons or 6,000-pound capacity and a lift range around 11 to 21 inches. The wide base improves stability, and the safety lock holds the load as it rises. It is not meant for sedans, but it can simplify lifting trucks, SUVs, RVs, and trailers. Number 1. BFX M-Car Mechanic Stethoscope. This mechanic stethoscope helps track down strange vehicle noises before guessing at repairs. It can help locate sounds from valves, bearings, transmissions, gears, and engine components. The probe transfers sound clearly to the earpieces, while extension probes help reach tighter areas. By following the loudest noise, users can narrow down the source of the problem. For mechanics and DIY repairs, it is a simple tool that can save a lot of diagnostic time. So, which smart mechanic tool would you add to your garage first? Share your pick in the comments below. And if you want more tool roundups, comparisons, and buying guides like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.